especially for
yay.
everyone
Okay,
in
I love
San
that.
Antonio. The humidity is lower.
You know what?
Yeah.
We'll take that any day.
Yeah,
That
exactly.
means it's a good hair day.
Exactly,
That's
yes.
what all the women are hearing out there right now.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yay.
And it's going to be much needed because, you know, it's been quite tropical over the past couple of weeks. Feels like temperatures over 105 degrees. So we're still going to be close to triple digits in terms of the actual temperatures. However, with this humidity, the feels like temperatures, the heat index values will be closer to the actual temperatures by a degree or so. So we'll definitely take that. That is a win for me. Now, looking at the live cam in downtown San Antonio, we have a mix of clouds and some sunlight. The current temperature 78 degrees, feels like 80 degrees, humidity around 68 degrees in terms of the dew point value. And if we look at the radar, we still have an active radar at the moment. So we had a front that moved through the area, and much of the rainfall that happened yesterday happened in the Edwards Plateau. Now the front is moving southward, and we're seeing clusters of showers and storms, especially for areas near Cotulla, near Tilden, the southern part of Atascosa County, the southern part of Frio County, also seeing some light to moderate rainfall as well, seeing some rainfall along I-35 as well. Now, the surface map shows a cold front moving through that part of the region as well, and eventually that cold front will move more towards the south, towards the Rio Grande Valley, and that's when our rain chances should dwindle as we get into the afternoon. But here's a closer look at the rainfall estimates. Once again, much of the rainfall actually happened in the place that received most of the rainfall 2 weeks ago, where we actually had catastrophic flooding for parts of the Edwards Plateau, especially the northern end of Uvalde County. This part received 3.4 inches of rain, and then areas in Real County near Camp Wood, nearly an inch and a half of rain, nearly 2 inches of rain in the southern parts of Edwards County, 2 inches of rain just north of Del Rio, and almost 2 inches of rain in Kerrville as well. But if we factor in the rainfall as well that's going on throughout the morning, our southern counties and areas towards the south, so areas north of Tilden, an inch of rain, areas north of Cotulla, 2.5 inches of rain, and an inch, almost an inch and a half near Floresville as well. So even though San Antonio missed out on the rain, parts of South Texas definitely received some much needed stuff. Temperature wise, we're in the upper 70s, the hill country into the upper 60s. Feels mighty nice in the hill country. And then upper 70s down towards the south in Cotulla and Carrizo Springs. Factoring in the feels like temperature around the actual temperature as well. And today's weather, it's going to be mostly sunny in the afternoon. So we'll have some clouds and some sprinkles in the next couple of hours for San Antonio. And also the shower and storm activity could continue over the next couple of hours for our southern counties. However, in the afternoon, mostly clear, high UV index at 10. But our max heat index value will be closer to the actual high of 98 degrees. So our heat index values will be around 101 degrees, way better than heat index values around 105 degrees. So here's a look at the futurecast. So the front will move south, where we could see some sprinkles over the next couple of hours, and we can't rule out an isolated shower or two farther down towards the south. But for much of South Texas, we are going to be mostly clear. Temperatures around the upper 90s, triple digits in the late afternoon. And then for tomorrow, same thing, mostly clear. Can't rule out an isolated shower in the evening. And then for Tuesday, we'll be mostly clear and also predominantly dry. And if we look at the rain chances, we'll just have a 10% chance of rain for today and tomorrow. But after Monday, we'll have slim to no rain chances at all. So here's a look at the 14-day forecast. Today, we'll have slightly lower humidity, and that's going to cause feels like temperatures to be closer to the actual temperatures. Monday, also, humidity will be lower than what we've been feeling over the past couple of weeks, but our actual temperatures will be around triple digits. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, unfortunately, humidity will be back up to uncomfortable. So our feels like temperatures will be high. Our actual temperatures will be high. It will be feeling like the dog days of summer once again. Vanessa?